and then we're gonna have lunch. Have them help you make lunch again, or you make the lunch and they'll eat it. And then for cleanup, like have them help clean up again. We have a system at preschool where they clean up their own things. And so for you at home, I know it's so easy, it's easier for you probably to clean up as a parent, but allow them to clean up, allow them to throw whatever they want to throw in the trash can. Allow them maybe to help you wash. That would be so much fun and so easy to do and to teach your child. So anything like that, helping them clean up after lunch is a great thing. I don't know what your schedule is like at home, but after lunch we do take a nap. So you can read to them, of course. We nap usually from 12:30-ish, 1 o'clock to around 3. So whatever that time is like for you, that's a time for you to do your stuff and them to nap, and you're like, yes, I get to focus on me now. So that's a time for you to be like, pat yourself on the back, you did a great job, and you can kind of do your own thing for a second before they wake up. They wake up, you can play a wake up song, find a wake up song on YouTube, or you just wake them up whenever, or they wake up on their own. And then after that, they go play again. They play in your house, they go play outside if you would like, whatever the case may be, go play or learn some things, do an arts and crafts with them, do a math activity with them, do a science activity with them, do an activity, stimulate their minds, keep on stimulating their mind. That's the biggest thing. Transitioning is always stimulating their mind. Even if they're discovering things, they're playing with things in your house, they're still stimulating their mind. They're discovering, which is the biggest thing in preschool. And then after that is snack time. Snack time for us is around 3:30. So they wake up around 3. 3:30 is snack time. Again, they can make the snack with you. So they don't always have to be given the food. They can make it with you, and that could be science. You guys eat snacks together, or again, you have them watch a show, iPad time, whatever the case may be in your home. And then after that, around 4 p.m., we go outside. But again, going outside all the time may not be structurally the best for you. So again, you can have them play inside. You can give them something to do. Again, like for preschool students, pre-K students, worksheets are not like the easiest, and that's where I feel like entertaining your preschool child is hard, because you can't just give them the worksheet and be like, here, work on this. They really want to be entertained and played with. But giving them an art project and showing them, or giving them counters, like I said, like you can use lifesavers as counters and colors. You can use popsicle sticks. These are things that I just found in my home for this video. I have banana chips in here. You can use these as counters. You can use, if you don't want to make any cards that have numbers or letters on it, I have Uno cards, and this can be like, okay, Johnny, like this is the number 1, and they answer 5, and then you're like, okay, so how many of these lifesavers do we need to put on here? So you can totally count that way. Again, I will have a resource video for that, but this is just explaining structure and schedule. So, and after that, it's really up to you. After that, we have our kids play outside. So after that, you can have them go play outside more, or you can read again, or they can watch a show, they can help you prepare dinner, whatever the case may be. Just keep stimulating their mind, allow them, create things for them, you create with them, whatever the case may be. And then just continue to grow in their fine motor skills, cutting, pinching something, using opening and closing a book, whatever the case may be. Just allow them to keep moving and grooving with you. And then last but not least, this is really important. Me and my co-teacher, we have a 3 strikes rule. So this is good to implement, I would say, in your classroom, and it deals with structure, is incorporating a 3 strikes at the beginning of the week. So, hey, Johnny, what we're gonna do today, it's new, but we're gonna do it, is we are gonna do 3 strikes. So if you get a strike, that is not good, So really explaining that to them, you get a 2nd strike, not good. You get a 3rd strike, you do not get a sticker, you do not get a happy face, whatever the reward may be. Don't make it be too big. You do not get that show at the end of the day, whatever the case may be. If they don't get 3 strikes that day, then they get a little reward. And then at the end of the week, if they got no strikes that week, or they didn't get 3 strikes, They didn't get 3 strikes. So that means if you get 3 strikes, that means you don't get that reward. So if you got that any day, then I'm sorry, you do not get a big prize at the end of the week. So that's what we do in our classroom, and it really, really, really does work. I'll share a quick story. One of the kids, he usually doesn't get a strike, and we gave him a strike for playing. He was just playing during lunchtime, and we constantly told him to stop. We're like, you know what? You're gonna get a strike. You're not listening, and that's a strike for you. And he only got 1 strike. You have to get 3 strikes, right? You have to get 3 strikes. The only time you get 3 strikes, you're out automatically is if you hit. That is an automatic. So if your child hits or bites or any of that, automatic, you don't get a prize, and you don't get a prize at the end of the week. But anyways, so he was doing that. We gave him 1 strike. We told him that, you know, you still get your sticker, but remember, you got 1 strike today. So tomorrow we don't want to see any strikes, but you didn't get 3 strikes. You did really good the rest of the day, so here's your sticker. And he went home to tell his mom, my heart hurt because I got a strike. I don't want to ever get a strike ever again. So all of our students are, they might be 2, they might be 3, but boy, do they understand prizes and rewards, and they'll understand their actions have consequences. And that's what we want to try to teach them as young people. I hope this really helped you. I have a lot of notes here. So if you would like me to post my notes, let me know, and I can totally do that for you. Again, this is not my last video. This is just the structure video that I'm first going to post on YouTube. So I will link when I start making more videos. I will put this on a playlist, and I will link all of the videos down below as I continue to make more videos. And at the end of this video, I'll continue to link new videos as they come, and I'll keep this updated. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped. Please send this out to all parents that need it. And if you're a parent that needs it, I hope I helped you out. And let's just continue this journey together. We can do this, and this is not the end of the world, and we got this.